no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I'm here to give you guys an Outre hair review. Today I am reviewing the converter cap and wrap pony combination hair called Bold and Irresistible. I do have it in the color 1B so it can match my actual hair. What I will say about this texture is it is very soft. I really love how there's this kinky texture to it. It's not too silky, but it's not too thick either. I wanted to make sure I picked up hair that matched my actual texture of my hair so it'll be easier to blend. So of course, this hair comes with limitless styling possibilities. It does have a breathable and flexible cap that lays flat, as well as an adjustable drawstring for a custom fit. What I really love about the Bold and Irresistible wig is that it came with a wrap pony. So y'all, if you didn't want to use the actual wig, you can actually style with the wrap ponytail. Was very simple. Literally, you just braid two sides of your hair, combine it with the actual wig hair, and boom. I was thinking about adding edge control to my edges to give it that more sleek look, but I'm like, you don't need edge control for everything. It's okay to just have your natural hair and your edges doing what it needs to do. So for the next style, yes, I consider this style too because it doesn't look like the first style. But you are using the same concept. You have the two braids, and then I just made like almost a halo effect to the hair. So for style 3, I actually am going to be using the wrap ponytail, but I will be having my hair out in the front as well. Yeah, I don't know if I was tying my ponytail too tight, that elastic band was too janky, or all of the above, but yeah, I guess I got some strong arms, y'all. So I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I did have a little problem with putting that wrap ponytail around my hair because, I don't know, I just have a hard time with putting that type of ponytail onto my head. I've seen people put it on and they make it look so easy, but I had to kind of do that off camera a little bit. But in the end, I love how natural it looks. It looks like you installed, like, you know, when you do that wrap ponytail that you use with weave and everything. It was given the illusion of that instead of an actual ponytail with a drawstring. Again, y'all, this hair is really, really soft. So the pros and cons with this unit. The pros, it's minimum tangle and shedding. It matches my hair texture. And you can achieve very simple styles. It's very versatile. As far as the cons, not really a con, more of a personal struggle with the wrap pony. Many people make it look so easy, but I just need a little bit more practice, y'all. So also, I wanted to actually do the hot water flexi rod method to see if I could achieve a curly blowout look. Let me know in the comments below if you would like that video. So that concludes today's video. I appreciate you guys for stopping by and tuning in. Let me know how you guys are feeling this hair in the comment section. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.